Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be testing the Ohuhu Brush Marker Skin Tone Set. I'm super excited, so let's just jump right in, shall we? So let's just go ahead and open them up because I am super excited to see all these colors. Look at them! Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, so we got the protective sheet, which I'm glad it's not like that piece of plastic because it always used to crack, so I'm actually pretty happy about that. And then we just got some blending stuff. And then we got, oh, you can swatch it on here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, let me take all the colors out because... So here are all the colors laid out, and I wanted to show you guys what the markers look like. So this is what the barrel looks like. I think it's super cute, and I love the little swirl on it. So cute. But here's what the barrel looks like, and it has a chisel tip, like usual, and then it has the brush nib, and I'm super excited to use these because I have Ohuhus, but I do not have the brush nib. So let's just go ahead and swatch them on a piece of paper. This is the paper I'm going to be using. I just want to do it on my paper that I'm usually going to be using, but I do like the little thing, and I probably will, you know, swatch them on here too. So yeah, but I'm going to be swatching them on my own paper. So here are all the skin tones, and there's a wide variety of skin tones, and I really like that. I feel like there could be more, maybe lighter skin tones, because I feel like generally these three right here are kind of like the same. So yeah, but I'm really excited to see what I can do with them. I already have a drawing ready, but this is why I always swatch, because I don't know if technically speaking that matches right there. So yeah, that's why I always swatch. And also this color kind of looks like orange. So let's just go ahead and get started with the drawing. So for today's video, I will be coloring this in of these three girls. I'm super excited because I usually do like realistic art, but I've done it a couple times on my channel where I'll do some line art. So this is one of those times because I really just wanted to do a drawing just on the markers. So this is what I'm going to be coloring today. So let's hop right in. Okay, so starting off with the darker skin toned girl on the right, I really like her skin tone. I feel like Ohuhu did such a good job with the darker skin tones in this set because they are really good. At least that's how I feel. So yeah, I really like them. I feel like there's such a good variety of colors in this set, and Ohuhu really snapped, I feel. I don't understand some of them though, like the Y4 and then the YR7. YR7 is really yellow. It's cadmium yellow, and then the Y4 is just really orange, and I'm not really sure what those are for. Those are really warm colors, and they're like really warm colors, so I'm not really sure what they're for exactly. Maybe lighting purposes, I don't know. I really don't know what those are for. I don't really see a use in them for skin tone wise, but I'm sure I can find other ways to use them, obviously. But I really love her skin tone. I think she looks just gorgeous, and Ohuhu did such a good job with the darker skin tones. I want to make a video because I feel like I should have done like more types of skin tones in this drawing, but I didn't because the other two girls I draw, they basically kind of look the same. At least that's how I feel. I wanted to make the girl on the right the darkest skin tone that I did for this drawing, and then the middle girl be like kind of tan, and then the girl on the left, the far left, have like the lightest skin tone. But I feel like they basically turned out the same. I don't really know. I feel like I could have done maybe someone more in the mid, because I feel like this set has a lot of good like mid to dark colors. So I wish I did the drawing better and just, I don't know. So I really want to make a video where I like try to make as many skin tones as possible with this set, and I feel like I could do a ton because this set just has so many good markers. So, and the price is also pretty good too. Like Ohuhu's known for being like pretty cheap markers, and this set I got it on Amazon. It was only $29.99, so basically $30. But that is a pretty good price because like Copics are super expensive. I don't even want to talk about their prices. So yeah, this set I feel like is just really good, and I wish I did it, like I wish I did this drawing better. And I wanted to talk about the packet like thing they have, because I just said it was a blending thing. I didn't open it up because I didn't want to like have the intro thing to be so fast, like I mean to be so long. I wanted to be kind of fast, and I didn't know that I had all this great information in this like packet thing. I'll put it on the screen, but they show like all the colors of like that is in the entire Ohuhu set, and they just have the colors that come in the set, and they just have like a ton of things in this. Like there's so much. And then you can like flip the nib, which is super cool. I already knew that, but they put it in, which I think is pretty cool. And then they have a little frequently asked questions, and there's just so much good information in this little thing. So I did not know that. I opened it up later and found that out. I don't know why I didn't open it on camera right then and there earlier, but whatever. I mean, at least I still found it out. So yeah. I really like how you can put the cap on the other side, like you can fit it on the other end. I feel like that is awesome because you can't do that with Copics, and you like with the other set I have with the Ohuhu, you cannot do that either. So I really love the brush because I know all the brush markers look like that. So I'm really glad you could put the cap on the other side. So yeah, I wanted to talk a little about the drawing itself. So with the set, there's like a good amount of like blush colors and like just pink colors for you to use, and that's pretty awesome. So I'm really excited because for this drawing I really didn't put any like blush on them. So yeah, but I plan to do a lot of things with these markers because there's just such a good variety of colors. So I did like a little pink theme and to like them. So every girl has some sort of like pinkish color. Not really with the girl on the left so much. I can't remember what color I used exactly. I think it was R27, but I really like their outfits. I wanted them to all kind of match and just like have pink. I wanted to use as many colors in the set that I could. So that's why I used pink, because there's a good amount of blush colors, which I really like. And I really wish I did the drawing better in this video. But I really like this drawing. That's why I colored it. So yeah. But I'm pretty sure this entire drawing was done with Ohuhus. There might be some that's not. There might be a few Copics. I'm not sure. So yeah. But the quality of these markers are just amazing. I really like them. I think they're so good. And just the variety of colors. I just wish I did it better. There's just so much good things about these markers. And I'm glad it honestly came with a colorless blender, because I've been using my sister's because I don't have one. So yeah, I've been using a colorless blender like so much. I know a lot of people don't use them, but I have like been using it nonstop. So yeah, I'm glad it came with that too. I feel like this set is just so good. It has a good variety of colors, and I'm super excited to be using them in more videos because this set is just so good, and I feel like Ohuhu did such a good job, and the price is really good. I just feel like it's so well done. So yeah, that's my review on the Ohuhu markers. I think that they are amazing, and you should definitely all go check them out. So I wanted to pop on real quick here and tell you guys that I'm holding a Draw This in Your Style right now because I hit 100 subscribers. This is not the 100 subscriber special. That'll be in like late October. I know it's gonna be really late, but I wanted to make sure you guys have enough time to do the Draw This in Your Style so I can make a video showing them all off, that like in a YouTube video, and I'm really excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I also hope you enjoy the Draw This in Your Style girl that I drew. I'm super excited to see all your recreations, and just thank you guys so much for all the support. So yeah, I really appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next week. Bye. So I wanted to do a story time in like 20 seconds, so here we go. One time I was eating a bagel and then Mini Niji falls onto my bagel, so he gets ruined. So what I did was I printed off a new one, so I'm going to fix him up on here. So yeah, and I have 2 more Mini Nijis. That's pretty crazy. That's about it. I don't know.